In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete or deactivate your Facebook account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then tap right here to go to menu. After that, tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy, and then tap right there to open up Meta Account Center. Then tap at Personal Details, Account Ownership and Control, and then deactivation or deletion. After that, select your Facebook account, and then you will be taken to that step where you need to choose whether you would like to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivating your account is a temporary process, so if you just want to take a break from Facebook and you don't want to permanently delete your account, you can choose Deactivate Account. In this case, your account will be hidden from Facebook, including your profile page and all your photos, media files, and all that stuff. If you would like to permanently delete your account, select that option. After that, tap at Continue, then Continue again. On the next step, select any option like I spend too much time on Facebook, or any other option from that list. Then hit at Continue again. On that step, if you have chosen to delete your account, it will ask you to deactivate your account instead of permanently deleting it. To continue, we need to scroll down to the very bottom and then tap at Continue. Then it will ask you to enter your Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap at Continue. And on the next step, we are about to schedule our account for permanent deletion. Once we tap at that button, our account will be scheduled for deletion, and we will have 30 days to reactivate our account and cancel the deletion process. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin, and we won't be able to recover our Facebook account. We can cancel the permanent deletion process at any time before the process starts through Account Center or by logging into our Facebook account with our email or phone number and password. To continue, tap at that button.